In this video, I'll show you how you can find your ElevenLabs API key. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first step, click on this Developers tab in the bottom left corner. Then from here, click on Create an API key. From here, you can see your existing keys. If you don't have one, just click on this Create key. From here, you can name your key. Then you can also set like restrict key. So if it's going to be like restricted. Then from here, you can set these endpoints. So you can grant access to these things like speech to text, text to speech. And also you can choose from these options. Then click on create key. Now your key is like displayed here. So you can copy it and use it in, let's say, for example, in base 44. So now I can paste it here and I can use this ElevenLabs integration here. So that was like just for example how you can use it. And now make sure to copy it because it won't be displayed again. So that's how you can get your API key in ElevenLabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.